That had to be one of the nicest chair unboxing experiences ever. Like, it was so easy to unbox, there's no setup process, the chair comes built just like this, and all you have to do is make the necessary adjustments to conform the chair to your body. If only everything in life could be this easy.
I've been feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall.
How's it going, everyone? My name is RJ, and this is the Herman Logitech G Embody Gaming Chair. You guys have probably seen me sitting on this chair in a few of my videos. I've been using this chair for the past little while, and man, take it from me, a good chair just feels life-changing. So in this video, I want to break down the functional aspects of this chair, highlight some features that I've really been enjoying, and overall give you guys a sense of what it actually feels like to be sitting in a Herman Embody Gaming Chair on a regular basis. First impressions matter. As you approach the Embody Gaming Chair, you'll notice its sleek design and high-quality materials. Sitting down for the first time, you'll immediately feel a sense of luxury and support. This is my first time experiencing the Embody Gaming hype, and it far exceeded my expectations. The first time I sat in this chair, I immediately stood back up. I looked at my wife and I said, "You have to sit in this chair." Honestly, it feels like you're floating on cloud 9, and that's what I feel like a good chair should do. It should eliminate any sort of feeling that you are sitting on a chair, which is not easy to do. But I believe Herman nailed that aspect. Some of you may be looking at this chair and writing it off for being too expensive, and I totally get that. But I look at this chair as a health and longevity investment that's not only comfortable for hours of sitting, but also easy on my lower back and spine. Just like how we invest in a good pair of running shoes, we invest in our diets, we go to the gym. In the same manner, I view this chair as a health investment that's going to last me for many, many years. Herman Embody Gaming does provide a 12-year warranty, so your investment is backed up and in good hands for a long time. As you guys know, I do a lot of editing. Some videos on this channel have taken more than 100 hours to edit. I don't have any help, it's just me, myself, and I running this whole show, and sometimes my wife. And editing in the Embody Gaming for hours on end not only helps me maintain a good posture, but it's also super comfortable. When you sit in this chair, the seat conforms to your body, offering a soft yet firm cushion. It's like you're sitting on a cloud that supports every part of your body. The back support is where the Embody Gaming Chair truly shines. The pixelated support system of 150 pixels adapts to your spine's natural curvature, providing consistent support no matter which way you move. So whether you're twisting or leaning, it does a great job of distributing your body weight evenly. This in turn reduces pressure. Sitting in the chair, the point of contact along my spine feels good. Posture Fit Tech supports an upright chest position, and there's great support on the lowest point of my spine. Adjusting the lumbar support to your preference is easy and intuitive, helping you maintain a good healthy posture during long gaming sessions, or in my case, long editing sessions. There is an adjustable knob here to support your lumbar. Just twist clockwise or counterclockwise to support a position that's most comfortable for you. Remember, everyone has different natural resting positions, so play around with it to find the adjustment that fits you perfectly. The armrests are fully adjustable, allowing you to find an ideal height and angle. This ensures your arms and shoulders are always in a comfortable position, reducing strain during intense gameplay or long periods of sitting. Whether you're leaning forward in concentration or just sitting back and relaxing, this armrest moves with you, providing continuous support. The adjustable armrest is probably one of my favorite features. I like to change up my sitting positions frequently, so to be able to adjust the arms in any which way angle I want is just perfect for me. The seat depth can also be adjusted to fit your leg length perfectly. This promotes better circulation and comfort. The tilt mechanism allows you to recline smoothly and lock the chair to your preferred angle. I love tilting back and taking pressure off my back in this chair. Sometimes I put on a good show and just kick back literally. There's also these adjustable handles here to adjust the alignment of your leg. So with this chair, you can lengthen or shorten the leg alignment. The breathability of this chair is one of its standout features. The fabric and design promote airflow, keeping you feeling cool on a hot sunny day. The weather here in Toronto has been pretty cold for June, but hopefully it gets better. The Herman Gaming Embody Chair is engineered from the ground up, well renowned for their ergonomic design, comfort, and durability. To me, this chair is the perfect balance between aesthetics and functionality. I mean, just look at this chair. It matches the aesthetics of my desk setup perfectly. As a scientist, I appreciate products that are backed by science, and Herman Embody Gaming has put countless hours into studying human anatomy and movement to design a chair that reduces strain and increases comfort. And after using this chair consistently for the past little while, I totally believe it. Quite honestly, sitting in the Herman Embody Gaming Chair is a transformative experience. From its ergonomic design to its premium materials, every aspect is engineered for comfort and performance. In my eyes, or in the eyes of my back and spine, this chair is worth every penny. If you guys want to check out the Herman Embody Embody Gaming Chair. There's a link for you guys in the description below. If you made it to the end of this video, drop a dolphin emoji down in the comments below. I would love to know who the true ones are. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys all in the next one, and don't forget to flex with your spine saving tech.